Hey everyone, I'm Chef Shota Nakajima and welcome to Bellevue Eats. Today we're at Cantina Monarca, where tacos meet margaritas in a delicious and creative way. Let's go uncover the flavors of this Bellevue hotspot. Cool, what you making now?
So we're making our Cadillac Fog, which is one of our very cool presentation drinks. We use a high top shelf tequila with it, and we use our Grandessa, which is like our version of a citrus liqueur.
Oh, look at that.
And there you are, enjoy.
Oh, thank you so much, appreciate it. Cheers. We're here with Chef Michael. You got some beautiful food. Want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, this is a tomato salad. We use a local heirloom tomato. In the center, we have a tamarind mousse. This one is a pescado divorciado, it's one brancino with salsa diabla. And this sauce is traditional in Mexico City. This is salsa molcajete, or salsa tatemada is burnt tomato with onions, garlic.
Fish is good, beans good, salsa's good, nothing to complain.
The name is Bosque Mágico. It's a magic forest. From Washington, we have almonds, berries, apple. This is a apple brulee. We have a little details with cilantro sponge cake. I love that.
There's some spice in here, the sweetness, the apple, and I do think the highlight of this dish is the cilantro. It's a one of a kind. It almost has a savory-esque flavor profile, but definitely is a sweet.
And the finish, we have Baja style. It's a fish taco from North Pacific.
The tortillas have a nice aroma. I love the texture and the sweetness on it. That crispy fish and that apple slaw, one of a kind. Cheers. Keep those taste buds rocking and catch you next time on Bellevue Eats.